We focused on happiness and found research showing that it's correlated with health, social, finance, and crime metrics. But the existing tools that we found only show them independently, which don't paint a full picture. We're going to solve this with an interactive visualization tool that calculates a happiness index with various user-selected predictors. Using the methodology we'll get into, here are the 10 happiest counties in the US. We found 3 different types of data that went into this. First was health, social, and finance data, which came from this website, a decade worth of it, and we collected it with web scraping and Python. Next was crime data, several decades worth of it, several distinct data sets. We downloaded the zip file directly and loaded the DTA files into Python. Last but not least, how happy is everyone? We found a happiness survey that's very large. Each year had about 350 megabytes, and we had 6 years of data, downloaded it directly, and converted it into Python. For our approach, we used a regularized regression model with elastic net to perform variable selection and fit a linear model after standardization. We used the happiness survey, in general, how satisfied are you with your life, aggregated for each year as the response variable, and various other metrics as our predictors. We then passed the regression formula, predicted it into 2019 with time series analysis, and put it into a choropleth and Tableau. It looks at each county and shows darker blue counties as being happier, lighter blue counties being less happy, and it utilizes a tooltip and the ability to choose variables. Here are the factors that were used after variable selection with elastic net. We built several models to compare them with each other with quality of fit, R-squared, and RMSE. We also tested for and removed outliers as necessary with Cook's distance. Our final model had no signs of multicollinearity, heteroscedasticity, or overfitting, with an R-squared of 33%. We evaluated our visualization with peer feedback and compared our final happiest county rankings, which are here, with other resources we found, and even though their methodologies were different, a lot of our counties synced up with theirs, which gave us confidence in its correctness. This improves on the status quo because it's user-friendly and allows multiple inputs. So here's the choropleth itself. You'll see that as I hover over a county, a tooltip appears, and above there's a series of bar charts showing the percentile of that county. So as mentioned, darker counties are happier and lighter counties are less happy, and you can choose different variables. So I'm going to exclude household income. It takes a few seconds to load because there is a lot of data after all, but you're going to see the choropleth change, but it still works the same as before, and the 10 happiest counties on the right also changed because we changed our model. So I'm going to add this back, pay attention to the happiest counties. You're going to see the list change yet again. And that's our tool. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.